Hello everyone and welcome back to Vulcan's a la carte video series. Our discussion today will be on Vulcan's line of heavy-duty upright broilers. Let's start off by going over the three different types of upright broilers available at Vulcan: the Double Deck Broiler, the Single Deck Range Match Broiler, and our line of Chophouse Broilers. Our first broiler is the Double Deck Broiler. As you can see, the Vulcan Double Deck Overfired Upright Broiler provides two broiling decks in a convenient 36-inch footprint. This high-capacity broiler is a must for busy steakhouse operations. Each broiler section has two springs to balance and level the cooking area, and comes with 5 adjustable levels, which are capable of withstanding the demands of any high-production operation. This broiler will allow busy operators the flexibility to load both decks with tons of product, and is a great option for high production locations that require high performance without sacrificing space. This versatile unit is able to be configured with either radiant burners or infrared burners, or get the best of both worlds and customize this unit with both radiant burners on one deck and infrared burners on the other. Don't worry guys, we will go into greater detail in just a few on the differences between radiant and infrared burners. The next broiler up is the Single Deck Range Match Broiler. As a range match broiler, this item will fit seamlessly into a lineup of other Vulcan V-Series heavy-duty range items and perfectly match the surrounding equipment in its profile. This broiler too can be designed with either radiant or infrared burners, but uniquely features a dedicated finishing oven up top that is powered by the naturally rising heat from the broiler section below. This useful finishing oven is great for melting cheese, holding, or finishing those thick steaks or chops that were seared on the broiler deck below. This single deck range match broiler can be further customized to fit any operator's needs by adding a standard or convection oven, refrigerated base, or cabinet base below. Wow, so many options! The last broiler type I would like to share with you is our fantastic line of Chophouse Broilers. These broilers are available in both 36 and 45-inch widths. Although these units employ a radiant burner only, they also showcase a searing plate unlike any other up top that captures residual heat naturally rising from the broiler section. This searing plate can reach temperatures in excess of over 900 degrees, which is hotter and larger than the competition, and is perfect for searing product up top and broiling down below, all at the same time. The Vulcan Chophouse line of broilers incorporate enhanced features such as the front-mounted grease can, which makes cleanup easy and a breeze, and the adjustable 4-position rack to allow operators to broil any product to perfection. Now, let's get back in the kitchen and see what Chef is up to.
Hello, I'm Chef Bruce Davis. I spent 30 years in the field as a chef and a restaurant manager, 26 years teaching culinary arts at the Center of Applied Technology North. Today, we're going to cook on the Upright Broiler. We're going to cook a broiled crab cake, broiled codfish, and a filet mignon. The Upright Broiler gives you the opportunity to cook a lot of items really quick. So let's get started.
Thanks, Chef. That sounds like it's going to be delicious. While Chef preps for service, let's discuss our focus for this program. But today's service will focus directly on the Upright Double Deck Broiler, employing both radiant and infrared burners. As discussed previously, these broilers employ both radiant and infrared burner options. Both burners are similar in that they are exceptional for broiling, but they each have a few different characteristics in their cooking profile and heating style that can be used to help any chef master their broiler's full potential and provide the best product for their operation and menu. So understanding the differences between radiant and infrared burners is key to specifying the perfect product for our customers. All Vulcan upright broilers offer a radiant burner option. Radiant burners are cast iron burners that reach temperatures of 1500 degrees at the burner and 850 degrees on the cooking surface. The superheated ceramic bricks surrounding the cast iron burners glow cherry red and then radiate heat energy back down to the product being cooked. That is why it's called a radiant broiler, because of these ceramic bricks. I will touch on infrared burner details in a bit. For now, let's check out what Chef is cooking in the Radiant Broiler section. All Vulcan Radiant Upright Broilers are a great option for many operators because of the adjustability of the cast iron Radiant Assisted Broiler Burners. Chef is able to turn the broiler burner down to a lower, more gentle flame to gently broil these products under the Radiant Broiler and perfectly cook them to perfection inside and out without burning this delicate cod and leaving them underdone in the center. This unit is perfect for operators that have a wide array of broiled items on their menu outside of thick steaks and chops, and it does a fantastic job of broiling many items such as chicken, seafood, and vegetables. As Chef plates this perfectly broiled cod, take note at how juicy they still are. You would think that something in a broiler would come out charred and burnt, but the Vulcan Radiant Upright Broiler was able to give this dish the perfect amount of color under the broiler, while still maintaining the integrity of this delicate protein. The next item up for radiant broiling is a Maryland-style crab cake. For those of you who aren't aware, all of Vulcan's upright broilers are manufactured in beautiful Baltimore, Maryland. And up here, we love our crab cakes. Most restaurants offering crab cakes will ask if you want them broiled or fried, and everyone I know always gets them broiled. Broiling a crab cake, as you can see, will perfectly cook it both inside and out, setting the light filling that is spiced up with Old Bay seasoning and helping the cake to maintain its structure, while also providing a crispy brown coloring on the outside, so it is both visually pleasing as well as delicious. When you pair this crab cake with crackers or a roll, you will then have a perfect traditional Maryland-style crab cake feast. Finally, let's see what Vulcan infrared broilers are all about. Our infrared burners radiate infrared energy, which penetrate the food and help to broil product faster. These broilers feature ceramic plates with tiny holes through which infrared energy flows. These ceramic plates differ from the ceramic bricks that are on a radiant broiler because the air and gas mix inside of the burner, and infrared energy then radiates through these ceramic tiles to directly penetrate the food. Our infrared burners can reach temperatures as high as 1600 degrees at the burner and around 900 degrees at the cooking surface to provide a sear to any steak or chop, helping to lock in those precious, delicious juices. Traditional steakhouses love infrared upright overfired broilers for their even temperature profile, which allows them to serve a consistent product that is broiled quickly and evenly. While other operations may use their overfired broilers to sear their thicker steaks or chops under the infrared burners, giving them a beautifully browned crust, and then transfer them to a finishing oven to gently finish, bringing them up to serving temperature. We will be discussing finishing ovens in a future a la carte production. Vulcan's infrared upright overfired broilers work by superheating the cooking surface, each with powerful burners very quickly, to evenly broil any product to perfection, leaving it browned and beautiful as well as juicy. Their flexible configurations and large, high-capacity broiling decks work to manage large quantities of product at once while maintaining an extremely even temperature profile across the cooking surface, as well as providing speedy recovery to the cooking area as you load it with steaks. Infrared single-deck range match and double-deck broilers provide the perfect complement to any steakhouse chef's cooking lineup. Vulcan broilers are your head start to an exceptional finish. They are designed to provide excellent finishing results in even the most demanding kitchens. When orders are stacking up, our broilers ensure rapid recovery times for maximum productivity.
Welcome back. Today we cooked a filet mignon, broiled crab cake, broiled fish, in the Upright Broiler. As you can see, it cooks really fast and it's really efficient. It's a pleasure having it in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Thank you so much, Chef Bruce. Everything looks just delicious. And thank you to everyone who joined us today as well. We are honored that you would take time out of your day to join us for our a la carte program on Vulcan Upright Overfired Broilers.